Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Combine giblet broth and turkey drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk cornstarch in 1/2 cup cold water in a bowl until smooth. Whisk cornstarch into stock and drippings. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to low, and stir chopped giblets and hard-cooked egg into the gravy.
Take our lead.
Directions. Heat fat from turkey drippings in a saucepan over medium-low heat until liquefied, 2 to 3 minutes. Whisk liquid from turkey drippings and turkey stock into fat flour mixture. Increase heat to medium and cook, whisking continuously, until gravy is smooth and desired consistency, 5 to 10 minutes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Giblets are the edible innards and neck of poultry or game birds. They most often include the neck, gizzard, heart and liver. Their easy and delicious recipe is perfect for Christmas or festive meals.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Giblets are a turkey's gizzard, heart and liver. The giblets and neck, when cooked, are a delicious addition to gravy and stuffing. Remove the giblet and neck package inside the turkey before cooking. If you happen to forget to remove the package or neck, the turkey is still safe to eat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.